Bitcoin history is exactly repeating right now, and exactly that and much more important information is what I want to talk about with you guys in this new update video. So let's just dive in the information directly, guys. We have no time to waste over here because we can see that Bitcoin history is exactly repeating at this current moment. We can see that in January 2024 and now January 2025 we are creating the exact same breakout over here, which is looking extremely bullish in my opinion. We can see this exact same upwards trend line over here with the exact same tops over here, and now we can basically see that we are trading it between these Fibonacci levels, and right now we are super close to this breakout on this Fibonacci resistance, exactly as we saw over here in 2024. And I'm expecting once we break this level, which is the 102k level right now, we are seeing a massive continuation to the upside over here. And yeah, I'm definitely very excited about that next Bitcoin move. We can also see that Bitcoin is creating this massive falling wedge pattern right now with a price target of 150,000 US dollars, which is of course extremely bullish. And yeah, in TradingView we can of course exactly see the same. This falling wedge is about to break out. We are going to see a little bit of more consolidation here before we see the massive breakout, because right now we are exactly trading at this downwards line over here, and I don't think the breakout is already going to happen here. I think it will take a little bit more time, a little bit more consolidation, and then boom, we shoot all the way up. Yeah, and basically we can see on the weekly perspective that Bitcoin is still kind of trading in this pause stage over here. Of course, we saw this massive consolidation in 2024, but before that we also saw a pause stage, exactly the same as we are trading in right now. So yeah, basically I'm expecting a massive continuation upwards from here, and also from here of course. And we can also see that the Bitcoin is still trading in this expansion phase I've talked about in my video yesterday. I basically think that we will be trading a little bit longer in this expansion phase. We will maybe be touching this 102k resistance line, which I already talked about in this chart. And yeah, Bitcoin is still trading within this massive consolidation. Of course, we saw that big bounce from the demand zone over here, and now we are on our way to the supply zone, where we will probably see another rejection before we can move higher over there. The Bitcoin ETF flows are actually looking incredibly bullish. We saw 755 million inflow yesterday, and with the biggest buyer being Fidelity over here, which is pretty new and pretty surprising. Of course, we can see it over here. It was actually almost the biggest Fidelity inflow ever. It was just slightly less than over here, and right now it was 463 million US dollar in inflow. So yeah, that's actually looking very bullish. And it's also exactly what I expected in the video, or what I predicted in the video yesterday, because basically we can see once the US spot ETF net flows turn negative, we can see a massive continuation afterwards, and the ETF flows will turn positively afterwards, which is basically happening right now. So history is exactly repeating. And yeah, on the biggest perspective, we can basically see that Bitcoin is still, of course, trading outside of this massive bull flag. And we are right now at this crucial turning point, of course, where I think a massive continuation higher can literally happen any moment right now. And yeah, within that consolidation zone, we can also see that it is actually a pretty crazy bear trap we have been creating on the RSI over here. And we can also basically see it wasn't correct here. We can also basically see that once that RSI moves down, we will see that momentum upwards. We will get that strength back, and we will move upwards from out that consolidation zone much higher. We can also see that Bitcoin is still trading in this massive bull market, of course. The bull market tends to last more than 500 days, so why would it be different this time around? There is still much time left within this bull market, in my opinion. And yeah, we can also see that that Ethereum is about to make an incredible bounce against Bitcoin, of course. We are seeing that we are about to touch this massive support line. I think there is going to be a big continuation in the Ethereum price action here, because yeah, Ethereum won't be lagging behind Bitcoin forever, of course. Yeah, and if we are taking a dive into altcoins, we can actually see that we are creating this massive pattern on the total tree chart over here. You can see that we are basically have created the exactly same consolidation under that breakout line, and right now we are in this small consolidation right below this previous all-time high, of course, which is looking extremely bullish. And once we break above it over here, above this previous all-time high, we will see this massive continuation afterwards, and the altcoin season can really kick in. But in my opinion, I think that altcoin season is actually going to start in 4 days, because this will be when the Trump inauguration will take place, and I think this will trigger altcoin season. Yeah, basically we can see that on this chart too. Always after the inauguration of the US presidents, we can see that the massive altcoin season is about to start and is about to continue. So I'm very excited about this, and I think this is actually one of the most important things happening in the market right now. I think this inauguration will be huge for altcoins, and we will see that huge continuation, because if you also take a look at that last Trump inauguration, you can see this massive continuation upwards, and I wouldn't be surprised if we would see something like that again. I'm extremely bullish on altcoins right now, guys. And yeah, you can basically also see it on this chart on the total too. We have been creating this extremely bullish breakouts over the course of the last years, and right now we are at this crucial turning point. We have been trading, or we are trading in this massive triangle over here, and once we break out over here on our way to that previous all-time high in this red circle, and we get that continuation, I think the real altcoin season is about to start there. So yeah, I'm definitely very excited about that. And the Bitcoin dominance is basically indicating exactly the same. Altcoin season can literally start any moment right now, because we can see we broke out of this rising wedge, which is the very bearish pattern, of course. We broke out of that pattern. We touched this resistance box over here. We touched this 1-2 times. Maybe we will touch this resistance box for a third time over here, but I think after that we will see this massive fall to the downside, and I think altcoin season will start there, and is literally just around the corner, if you ask me. So yeah, that was it for today's updates video, guys. Make sure to smash that like button, make sure to subscribe on this channel, and I will speak to you guys in the next update video. See you guys later. Bye.